Ryan tried swallowing it.
Is it recording? Wait. We're gonna move up.
Move it up.
Ref just scared the hell out of me.
Where are they?
I'm gonna hop this wall.
Go.
Oh, I got paintball crap all over me.
Cody, you put it perfectly to that tree. Do I? Yeah.
Where the hell are they all?
There's more for the paintball crap on it.
Dude, where are they all at?
Look, I don't see any. Just will be hiding in like 1 or 2 bunkers.
Whoa. I see one.
Hey,
Watch
watch
out.
out.
Whoa.
Watch out, I'm gonna...
I'm moving up.
I'm gonna pop my head up, don't shoot me.
Don't shoot me.
Where the hell is their whole entire team?
I'm moving up. I think he's out. Oh, there's a guy behind the pool.
Which one?
Behind the spawn school.
Oh, look at my gun went safe.
Behind the building over here.
Coming. Building to the left.
Oh shit. There's 2 of them in the building.
Oh, you got it. Right in front of him.
Yeah?
I'm gonna move up. Wait, can you cover me?
Alright.
Alright,
Go.
3, 2, 1.
Watch the building to the left.
One's out, Isaiah. I know.
Oh, well, you were still fine. Over my right side.
I got you.
I'm gonna move over to the other side.
I'm gonna switch mags.
Oh, you kidding? You're so out. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
I'm gonna move around.
Forget.
Ref, I'm gonna go like right where you're at. Got one guy, there's another guy now. House is clear.
Move up.
Any more?
Hey, YouTube, it's me, Banshee. I'm on that thing here.
Where's it coming from?
Far, far, far.
I think that's friendly shooting at us. Oh, there's a guy in the freaking building.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get him from the back. Are we shooting at our own people?
I don't know.
Friendly! I think we're shooting at our own people.
Hey.
Sorry, dude. Kind of a reaction, my bad.
That's game.
Shooting this for second nature. Dude. All those guys hang out over there, and then when the